Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So this is the Stanley 199 challenge. I guess you know that a group of tool guys all decided they were going to customize a Stanley 199 utility knife, and each of us would put up our videos on or before March 1st. But as I only have 5 minutes, I will get right to it. What I did at first is I had to order a 199. I didn't have any at the store here close by, so I got on Amazon and ordered one, and when it arrived I quickly realized that it was a fake, a knockoff. It said Stanley on one side, and on the other side it said blades inside. So that's on the real one. It says it on both sides, Stanley on both sides. But anyway, I decided I would use that as practice, and I tried a couple of different paint schemes, and in between I just use paint remover, get rid of it, and try another one, and finally ended up with one I really liked. And at about that time, the two more 199s that I ordered, this time actually from Stanley I ordered them, they showed up, and so I got busy trying to duplicate what I had done previously. But what I found was that the letters on the 199s, on the real 199s, didn't stick out as far as the one on the knockoffs. So it was much harder to do the paint scheme that I had planned. So instead I opted to do something a little bit different with those. And here's what I came up with. I really kind of liked how first I spray painted all this here. I taped it all off to block off that outline, and then I spray painted it, and then I came in with sandpaper and sanded off all the top edge of everything. Of course, previous to that, I went ahead and buffed it out and gave it kind of a satin finish, and I really like how this looks. So I guess I would consider this my official entry into the challenge. However, I really like what I did with the knockoff as well. So here's the knockoff, and on this one I gave it a higher polish shine, and I decided to paint yellow inside the Stanley letters. So here's this one. And here's this one. So there's one, there's two, but since I ordered two actual knives from Stanley, that gave me a third knife to play with. So I thought I should really do this one up right, and this is what I came up with. I had high expectations for it, but the lights seem to go off every time I try to close it up. But anyway, those are my three. Here's the one that's the knockoff with the high polish. Here's the one that's not a knockoff with the satin finish. And here's the blinged out fail. But look at all that effort. Anyway, that's it. Thanks very much. I appreciate you watching. See you next time.